says that one of her favorite parts is just watching the evolution of the game and seeing all the different artifacts develop over the years. They actually have the original Stanley Cup ring, and a new addition to the hall is the net, the gloves, the stick, and I think the puck of Sidney Crosby's golden goal. So very neat to see that, and Kelly recommended some other aspects of the hall, which are great. Of course, seeing the trophies, the original Stanley Cup. My personal favorite, the broadcast booth, brought to you by RDS, and you get to listen to a famous call and then record your own and see how you do. I did it. It's tougher than it looks. I picked an old one and it was a Guy Lafleur goal. Not super, so we won't be posting that live on the internet, but I definitely recommend trying it out. It's seriously fun stuff.